Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to handle the subject on medical electronics. So now I am going to discuss about the topic on ultrasonic diathermy. So after completion, the students will be able to define ultrasonic diathermy, draw the block diagram of ultrasonic diathermy. So now we are going to discuss about the topic on ultrasonic diathermy. Ultrasonic diathermy, so that is this will be mainly used for the short wave treatment. This will be failed, so and where localization of heating effect is decide. So that is if the short wave treatment is failed, we have to use the heating effect. So it is very helpful to cure the disease of peripheral nervous system. The heating effect is produced due to absorption of ultrasonic energy by the tissues. The effect of ultrasonic on the tissues is a high speed vibration of macro massage. The macro massage is used in the treatment of soft tissue lesions. So now we are going to see the block diagram for the ultrasonic diathermy. So intensity and frequency controls. Here we are having the RF oscillator. This will be connected to the piezoelectric transducer. Then upper we are having the timer. Then finally we are getting the ultrasonic output. So now we are going to see the function for the ultrasonic diathermy. So the ultrasonic massage is better because of greater depth of massage can be obtained without any pain to the patient. So the RF oscillator will be produces the high frequency alternating current which excites the piezoelectric transducer. The ultrasonic waves can be applied is constrained or pulse mode. So if you are using the constrained mode, the macro message is obtained effectively without any thermal effect. So in front of crystal there is a metal face plate which is made to vibrate by the oscillation of crystal. The ultrasonic wave are emitted from this plate. The amount of ultrasonic energy absorbed by the tissues, this will be depending on the frequency of ultrasonic waves. So the frequency will be ranges from 800 kHz to 1 MHz and the output power can be varied from 0 to 3 watts per centimeter square. So in the treatment we are having the timer. This will be electrically operated and this will be contact with a set of 1 to 15 minutes. Then if switches off the output power often the present time. So then only we have to save the power. So the transducer probe is in direct contact with the body through an electrode gel. So in the case of large areas to be treated, so the probe is moved up and down to obtain the uniform distribution of ultrasonic energy. So if there is a wood, the treatment is carried out in a warm water. So this can be avoid the mechanical contact with the already injured tissues. So the ultrasonic therapy is used where the short wave treatment is failed and the localization of heating effect is desired. So it is very helpful to cure the tissues. So based on the disease of peripheral nervous system, the heating effect is produced due to absorption of ultrasonic energy by the tissues. The effect of ultrasonic on the tissues, this will be having the high speed vibration of macro message. So if you are using the macro message, the treatment of soft tissue lesion process will be done. So the ultrasonic message is better because of greater depth of message can be obtained without any pain to the patient. So the RF oscillator produces a high frequency alternating current which excites the piezoelectric transducer. The ultrasonic waves can be applied in contained or pulse mode. In the case of pulse mode, macro message is obtained effectively without any thermal effect. In front of crystal, there is a metal face plate. So this will be made to vibrate by the oscillation of crystal. The ultrasonic wave are emitted from this plate. The amount of ultrasonic energy absorbed by the tissues is depending upon the frequency of ultrasonic waves. The frequency ranges from 800 to 1 megahertz and the output power is varied from 0 to 3 watts per centimeter square. So based on the treatment, so this will be directly contact with the personal setup. So that is 1 to 15 minutes. So if your output power is switched off based on the present time, so the direct contact will be cut by the transducer probe, then the body will be directly contacted with the electrode gel. So if you are selecting the large area for the treatment, so the probe will be moved up and down. So we have to obtain the uniform distribution of the ultrasonic energy. So the treatment is carried out in a warm water both to avoid the mechanical contact with the already injured tissues. So after completing the ultrasonic diathermy, the quiz question is based on which of the following are considered non-thermal effect of diathermy. Thank you.